Hello InvTraXies. Before you jump into the Forex trading world, know this: that trading is a journey, not a destination. As a trader, you will encounter many obstacles, but with each one you overcome, you will become a better trader. This is the beauty of trading and the reason why many people are passionate about it. As you continue to learn, you will have to keep an open mind and be willing to admit your mistakes. Remember, trading is a continuous process, and there is always something new to learn. Embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. Discipline is the backbone of successful trading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of the market, but it's important to remember that discipline is what separates the winners from the losers. One of the most important rules of trading is to cut your losses and let your profits run. However, this can be easier said than done. Often, traders hold on to losing positions, hoping they will turn around, only to see the losses grow. These emotional decisions have no place in your trading plan, and it's important to recognize when they happen and take action. Without discipline, your trading journey may be short-lived. Trading is not about being right, it's about making money. So, it's important not to get too caught up in keeping track of how many winning trades you make. Some traders are only right 40% of the time, but they still make money. Others are right 70% of the time, but they still lose money. What matters most is how you manage your risk. The key is to keep reevaluating your trading decisions and be comfortable with the fact that you will sometimes be wrong. Sometimes the best move is to do nothing at all. Trading is not always about being constantly active in the market. There will be times when it's smarter to sit back and wait for the right opportunity. Instead of feeling pressure to always be in the game, use this time to your advantage. Keep an eye out for new opportunities, evaluate your trading strategy, or just enjoy the other things in life. Remember, a well-timed break can do wonders for your trading success. When trading retail Forex, keep in mind that your trades are not protected by an exchange or a clearing organization. Your deposited funds are also not insured, meaning that they are not a priority in the event of a bankruptcy. Even if a dealer places your funds in an FDIC-insured bank account, they will not be protected in case the dealer goes bankrupt. It's important to remember that when trading in the Forex market, you are trusting in the creditworthiness and reputation of the dealer. When it comes to retail off-exchange Forex market, it's important to remember that there is no centralized marketplace where buyers and sellers come together. Unlike regulated futures exchanges, the price of your trades is determined by the Forex dealer you are working with. This means that you are relying on the integrity of the dealer for a fair price. In other words, you are entrusting the dealer to give you a fair deal. Forex trading is not a quick way to get rich. It takes time and skill to master the market. Short-term trading is not for beginners, and it's not a road to overnight success. You can't make huge profits without taking on huge risks. A strategy that involves taking a lot of risk can lead to inconsistent performance and big losses. A trader who takes these kinds of risks probably doesn't have a real strategy in place. It's more like gambling. Remember, Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes patience, discipline, and a solid strategy to be successful. Remember, there's no magic formula for success in the Forex market. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication to become a skilled trader. Experienced traders can and do make money, but it doesn't happen overnight. It's important to understand that Forex trading is not a walk in the park, as some might have you believe. If it was that easy, everyone would be making a fortune. Even expert traders with years of experience still experience losses from time to time. So, keep in mind that learning to trade Forex is a journey, and success takes time and effort. Last but not the least, before you start trading with real money, make sure you can consistently turn a profit on a practice account. Want free trading signals? Then join our Telegram channel today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more value-adding videos and press the bell icon. Watching on Facebook? Then don't forget to like our page. Have a safe and profitable trading journey.